How improve vaginal health? We presents Top 14 Foods that help to improve vaginal health. Sweet potatoes. They are filled to the brim with vitamin A, and this is a vitamin that contributes to making our uterine walls super strong, as well as encouraging the production of hormones that help us stay energized. You might not have to alter your eating habits much, as most of the foods that help keep your vagina healthy you should be eating as part of a healthy balanced diet anyway. Lemon. Lemons also support vaginal health, as their acidic nature helps maintain the vagina's healthy pH level. Antioxidants in it also help protect the cells from free radical damage. Drink lemon water once or twice daily to help restore the pH balance in your body. To make lemon water, mix the juice of half lemon to a glass of warm water and add a little raw honey for taste. Cranberry juice. Cranberry juice is great for improving your vaginal health. It helps balance the vagina's pH level, and its acidic property helps fight bacteria that cause UTIs, vaginal infections and other problems. To reap the benefits, drink a glass of unsweetened, organic cranberry juice daily. You can opt to take cranberry tablets, but consult your doctor first. Garlic. Garlic contains antimicrobial and antifungal properties that help prevent vaginal problems, such as itching, burning, odor, vaginal discharge and even UTIs. Eat 2 to 3 raw garlic cloves on a daily basis. Kale. To combat vaginal dryness as well as itching and burning, include kale and other low oxalate green vegetables in your diet. Add kale to your salad, vegetable juice or green smoothie. You can also cook it lightly and eat it as a side dish. Other green vegetables that are good for vaginal health include cabbage, celery and collard green. Greek yogurt. It contains live and active cultures, lactobacillus bacteria, that prevent disease-causing organisms from attaching to the vagina and produce chemicals like lactic acid that inactivate or kill other infection-causing organisms. Eat 1 to 2 cups of probiotic yogurt daily. Other good probiotic foods that you can include in your diet are miso, kimchi, sauerkraut and kefir. Edamame. The phytoestrogens in this soy product help keep the vagina lubricated, which is very important to prevent dryness, itching and other problems. Aim for consuming half cup of organic, unprocessed edamame on a daily basis. Other soy products that you can include in your diet are soybeans, soy milk, tofu and so on. Flax seeds. The phytoestrogens increase estrogen levels, which prevents vaginal dryness and other menopausal symptoms. Sprinkle about 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds on cereal, smoothies, yogurt, salads and juices. When eating flax seeds, make sure to drink an ample amount of water for smooth digestion. Water. Your vagina is a mucus surface, same as the inside of your mouth, so the better hydrated you are, the better hydrated those membranes are going to be, Lindsay told BuzzFeed. And while some strong-smelling foods can translate into a stronger-smelling vagina, water can help bring things back to whatever is normal for you. If you're concerned, you can drink water and that can dilute out what you might perceive to be a bad smell from the food. Candy. Yes, candy. Specifically the brand, Good and Plenty. In 1998, Dr. Alan Hirsch of the Smell and Taste Research and Treatment Foundation in Baltimore wrote in his book Sensational Sex: The secret to using aroma for arousal that the scent of Good and Plenty candy, especially when mixed with a cucumber perfume, sexually arouses women. Almonds. Almonds and pumpkin seeds are high in zinc, which helps combat itching and regulates the menstrual cycle. Bananas. Ha! Not in that way, wink, wink. Sweet and delicious, bananas are also a good source of vitamin B6 and C as well as manganese, potassium, biotin and copper. Kimchi. Kimchi is another probiotic and it's also safe for those who may be lactose intolerant and can't eat yogurt. Kimchi helps maintain your vagina's pH levels to slightly acidic. Another plus to probiotics? They help ward off bad bacteria as well, keeping infections down there at bay. Broccoli. Broccoli may not be the hottest veggie on the block, but this study may change your mind. A study from 2007 found that women who ate foods rich in flavonoid camphorol like broccoli saw their risk for ovarian cancer reduced by an incredible 40%.